Hello everyone, welcome back to Learn Cantonese with Ollie. This lesson we will learn about sentences that we will say to have breakfast in Hong Kong. After this class, you will know how to ask and answer questions regarding our food. You will also get to know what do Hong Kong people eat for breakfast and know a bit more about Hong Kong food. So let's begin. If you want to ask, have you eaten breakfast yet? You can say 食咗早餐未啊？食咗早餐未啊？ You can reply yes and you. 食咗啦，你呢？食咗啦，你呢？ Or the opposite, no and you. 未啊，你呢？未啊，你呢？ If you want to ask your friend what do you want to eat, you can say 你想食乜嘢啊？你想食乜嘢啊？ Then you can answer I want to eat, which in Cantonese is 我想食。我想食。And then the kind of food. For example, I want to eat egg tart. You say 我想食蛋撻。我想食蛋撻。If you see certain food but you're not sure what they are, you can ask 呢啲係乜嘢啊？呢啲係乜嘢啊？ Or 呢啲係乜嘢嚟㗎？呢啲係乜嘢嚟㗎？ Can both use in singular or plural. By explaining to people what that kind of food are, you can say 呢啲叫做呢啲叫做 and then add the name of the food. For example, 呢啲叫做魚蛋。呢啲叫做魚蛋。These are called fish balls. If you want some suggestion from locals, you can ask 邊啲好食啊？邊啲好食啊？ Which means which one tastes good. So what do we eat in Hong Kong for breakfast? There are Chinese and Western style. The Chinese style is 中式，中式， while the Western style is 西式，西式。For Chinese style, 中式, we have plain rice congee, 白粥，白粥。We also have something called deep fried breadstick. In Cantonese is 油炸鬼，油炸鬼 or 油條，油條。Another one is rice noodle rolls, 腸粉，腸粉。Another common one is fried noodle, 炒麵，炒麵。And we also drink soya milk, 豆漿，豆漿。The Western style breakfast, 西式, could be sandwich, 三文治，三文治。An egg, for example, there's scrambled egg, 炒蛋，炒蛋。Double sunny side up, 煎雙蛋，煎雙蛋。Bacon, 煙肉，煙肉。Ham, 火腿，火腿。And macaroni in soup with ham is common breakfast in Hong Kong too. In Cantonese is 火腿通粉，火腿通粉。Bread, 麵包，麵包。 The following food are somehow more heavy for breakfast. You can see people eat them in the morning and also commonly seen them at the tea time. For example, pineapple bun with a slice of butter insert in it. We call it 菠蘿油. 菠蘿油. 菠蘿 is pineapple. 油 refer to the butter. So for the pineapple bun itself, we call 菠蘿包. 菠蘿包. And we also have our version of French toast, which we call 西多士. 西多士. Apart from that, we have butter and jam on toast and butter and condensed milk on toast. They are 油尖多, 油尖多, and 奶油多, 奶油多, respectively. 多 here stands for toast. 多士. 多士. Let's recap everything we have learned today. Have you eaten breakfast yet? 食咗早餐未呀？食咗早餐未呀？ Yes, and you? 食咗啦，你呢？食咗啦，你呢？ No, and you? 未呀，你呢？未呀，你呢？ What do you want to eat? 你想食乜嘢啊？你想食乜嘢啊？ I want to eat. 我想食。我想食。I want to eat egg tart. 我想食蛋撻。我想食蛋撻。What are they? 呢啲係乜嘢啊？呢啲係乜嘢啊？ Or 呢啲係乜嘢嚟㗎？呢啲係乜嘢嚟㗎？ They are 呢啲叫做呢啲叫做 These are called fish balls. 呢啲叫做魚蛋。呢啲叫做魚蛋。Which one tastes good? Which one tastes good? 邊啲好食啊？邊啲好食啊？ Chinese style 中式。中式。Western style 西式。西式。Plain rice congee 白粥。白粥。Deep fried breadstick 油炸鬼。油炸鬼 or 油條。油條。Rice noodle rolls 腸粉。腸粉。Fried noodles 炒麵。炒麵。Soya milk 豆漿。豆漿。Sandwich 三文治。三文治。Scrambled egg 炒蛋。炒蛋。Double sunny side up 煎雙蛋。煎雙蛋。Bacon 煙肉。煙肉。Ham 火腿。火腿。Macaroni in soup with ham 火腿通粉，火腿通粉。bread 麵包，麵包。pineapple bun with a slice of butter insert in it. 菠蘿油，菠蘿油。French toast 西多士，西多士。Butter and jam on toast 油尖多，油尖多。Butter and condensed milk on toast 奶油多，奶油多。Toast 多士，多士。The next video you will be taught how to order food in 茶餐廳, the Hong Kong style cafe. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel. If you have any question, leave a comments below. See you guys next time. 下次見，拜拜。